Thank you. Why nobody reminded? Come on, guys. Why he has to
I just did.
say it loud? You cannot text. Say it loud. Okay. Yeah, because I'm not paying attention. Okay, let's go back. Yeah, it's fine. Good. At least you guys. It was not too late. Go back. What is it?
Second one from
Here. Okay, which one? This one? This one?
That's for the signing.
Reset?
Which one?
Reset.
Yeah, you gotta go back to 47 in order to.
No, I did this. Oh,
Okay, yeah, you gotta go to 47.
okay. This one?
No, 47. Going down, going down.
Okay. So what is saying that you should not go back to the user story 50. You should actually read the user story 47. That's correct. Okay. Because then you will understand that what is the purpose of the user story, the second one. So this is actually a core job for you. And so before you go to the planning meeting, if the product owner say these are the user story, you are going to do the estimation tomorrow, then basically before you go to the meeting, you should read each of the user story, take some notes, small notes, so that you can be productive in your meeting. So it said, read all you want. As a buyer, I should receive an OTP to reset my password if I forget my current password. Yeah. So then let's say read more details where it is. It just said the UI point of view. We can technically extend this one just to add the UI, means user interface, when the UI is done. Sometimes UI is done, sometimes UI is not done. So without UI, we can actually develop the code. So again, it is the post and it is the API endpoint is here. And then it just tells you, you just type your any means your email ID, whoever wants to reset. So that's actually the, and then if you are not sending the right email, then it will send the 400 bad request. A response body, did not get anything?
No,
Got it, understood, okay? Okay, okay, good. So once you understand this part, then you will go to the, yeah, right?
I mean, yeah, 49. Sorry.
49. So you see this, you just cannot jump to the user, the one user story, because user story has the dependency with another one. This is really important part to understand the requirement. So now I understand that, okay, oh, I need to have, you say, keep saying, oh, I'm not receiving the OTP. Read. You need to have a sign-in user, guys. Go. Create an ID, then you should be able to reset. See that? Yeah. So how you can be like, if you're not paying attention, if you're not reading, you'll be caught up by people. And those are the reasons people join, they get fired. Basically, those are actually the core reason. Yes, because they are thinking their mind is, I need to test. I'm just giving you 30 seconds like the tips. That's the reason they get fired, because they have no clue what they're talking. So your goal is the quality assurance, not the testing. Quality assurance start with the understanding the requirements, any application you do. Okay, any question how to read the requirements, how to read the dependency, how to understand the specification, and what we are expecting for the payload, where the payload is stored, and the response body. Any question on it? The same process, the same for all of the user story. Yes, so you guys can ask them, not us. Okay, if you guys have any question, basically each of your responsibility to understand each of the user story and complete the entire application very well. Then you will be easily getting a job. 110%, I can guarantee 110, not only 100%, you will get job. If you complete the entire application from the way that has been taught, understand and talk naturally, okay, this and this, this and this is how it works. Then you will be naturally speaker, you'll be able to speak properly with other people, and any application given to you, based on this application, you should be able to test, means you should be able to do the quality assurance and without any problem. Regardless, you go with the embedded, you go with the vehicle, or you go with the web, does not matter. It just does not matter anything. It just, at the end of the day, is the software development. Any question? We can just go each of the user story details. So,
What is the OTP to create the account?
okay, as a buyer, I should receive an OTP to the email that used to create the account, right? So, buyer must provide a valid email. So sometimes read the so that's the real prerequisite. For the sign up, prerequisite is important. It's not the dependency. Okay. Buyer must, what happened?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I just needed the dependencies. Number 23.
Oh, it's 20, you did not?
23, yeah. Just the number 20.
Okay, that's fine. So that's the reason you guys, you should be reviewing your own user story before you come. Okay, so you fix it. You can write the note, you can fix it. Okay. So you need to understand and read the details of the user story, and this wording is important. Because if you miss the wording, you will miss the meaning. Okay, so read carefully. If you do not understand, you need to ask or you need to clarify. That's actually part of your requirement analysis. You understand it, that's good. And during the testing, if you have any questions, you can clarify. So again, this is the same thing. See, this is going to be sticking with this, and then you already know the post. The payload means your request body and the status code for this, and then all of this, the similar. Us is similar, but it's a different thing.
I had the response point in that one.
Now you see, it's different. It is completely different than the you can think other one. Fine. So when you actually get into a building, you have to unlock it. You need a key, right? And that's actually the web does the same thing. So this token is temporary, or this token can be fixed, or this token means something. This token actually they call the bearer token. Basically, you cannot break it. You cannot just break it. And this token is dedicated for only that user. Nobody can use it. Each time you execute, it actually give you the different. Yes. But if you keep signing, the business can decide 7 days. Remember, we decided 90 days, right? 90 days you exit our website. So we decided that. Yes. Bank does 5 minutes.
Less than 5 minutes.
Yeah. Government does 2 minutes. That's the reason I said, depend on the application, the business decide what they want. Or based on the application strength, actually decision come. Good. So it's not like a vanilla, the decision. It's just based on the application. So once you pass it, then actually it will work. You just cannot do whatever you want, because this API you have to understand, and you can do your work. Any question on it? So this is actually, so this part is only in the back end. This is not from the anywhere is coming. It's actually in the back end is giving, and it is, I think it is stored in the database. I can't remember. We'll go over this. Any question on it?
Just to
The same rule.
just to clarify, is the payload is both response body and the request body together, right?
No. The on the postman, the request body is you are sending as a browser on the mobile app, means you are saying I want to sign in. So you type your username. That's the request body. When you are able to sign in successfully, that's the response body. Means server said you are in, or server said you are denied. Whatever response you get after you input the data, that's the server is telling you. Do you understand now?
Yes, but what is payload?
The request body we call the payload. Here. Yeah, this is called the payload. In the industry, we call the payload. You can call the request body. So let's say the right wording so all the manager, engineer understand. Good question. You forgot maybe. Is good?
Is it saved? Is it
Yes.
saved in non-relational data set?
This application is MongoDB.
Payload is
Yeah, based on the where it is. This application is MongoDB. Means the database is MongoDB, means non-relational database. It is stored in the JSON format collection. For the FFM, you guys saw FFM has the relational database, which is like the table and column. Good. Okay. Pranto, did you share the presentation?
The presentation we did.
Can you share a screen, or where can I get it?
Right, let me send you the link.
No, did you share here somewhere? So I can actually access. So we walk you through a couple, but we actually prepared the presentation. You need to make sure you understand this, because until you understand this, my brain will be hurting even to talk to you next time. Even do not try to talk to me. If I find out you are cheating with yourself, it will be a big problem. Since you do not understand, you are memorizing. It will be a big disaster. Even do not try to come to me to say I understand this. Okay? If you understand today's session and the entire session, you're good. You do not need to worry about any industry you work. Nobody can put you down. Nobody can. Nobody. I'm guaranteeing you. I'm assuring you. But if you do not understand and the wording, how they connect, how their relationship, you are not there yet. Just take time, 1 week. You're good for your life. Let me know which one I should click.
Can you go to your documents and labs?
Okay. Okay, we'll be linking. Then you guys will see. Which one? Oh, let me change my. Okay. Hey, it's locked. Oh, hang on. Hang on. See how things work. It's all about I did not do this. Now you should be able to do. You see this? It's a security, huh? It's because of that token. Because of the token you just saw, because that token actually knows what permission you have in this building. That token has powerful. That's the reason we always go with the user, the people who understand the user management process, user authentication, authorization. They are very good in this application. Okay. So I actually walk you through the couple, but the whole team work, the Pratik and Pranto work behind the scene. Make sure you guys understand this. So again, that's the endpoint. This is the one the payload is. We actually, I think we did 30. We plan to bring all. You guys know this. You guys have to solve this. So this is kind of the user story title. This is the endpoint, as you know this. User need to sign in. Good, thank you.
I'm like,
Was I there today?
Munna is here.
oh, no, I'm here.
That's good.
Yeah.
My eye has issues.
No, because it's an issue.
Yeah.
No one talks about it.
Understood. Understood.
Recording now.
It's recording now. Yeah.
This is bigger now. Okay.
So make sure go these 30 details. Understand the precondition of the dependency. That's very important. That's the where you can be very productive. Okay. understand each of the